Hey guys, it's Lily here with Donnelly Ford of Ashland. Here recently we just took in this 2020 BMW X3. It's got around 62,000 miles and it's loaded with a ton of features plus this big old sunroof. So check out everything else it's got. Over to the left, we just have your standard switches for your lights. We have the memory seating options. Down here we have automatic folding mirrors along with your back hatch button. Over here to the right, you do have your traction control, different drive modes, park assist, hill descend. You do have a really neat gear shifter here, your automatic parking brake and your automatic hold. You have a cool controller here that controls the screen. And check out this back seat, giving you plenty of light with that open sunroof, and you get some climate controls back here with 2 plug-ins. This BMW does have a power lift gate as long as you hold down on the key. You do have a ton of trunk room, but if you needed more space, you just pull on this lever and your seats go down for you. If you have any questions about this 2020 BMW, please give me a call using my extension 1011 or stop by the Ashland store and ask for Lily.